Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to build a 4-tier quail cage with an external egg collection tray. This cage battery can comfortably house up to 100 quails. Watch closely so you don't miss anything. By the end of the video we'll put the finished cage to the test, and I'll also show you all the dimensions along with the templates I used during the build. Be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think about this design. I'd also love to hear your ideas on how it could be improved. Now let's get started. Enjoy the video. I'll start by ripping the board into 1 by 1 inch lumber for the frame. This is the number of slats I'll need, but that's not all. To make sure everything stays accurate and perfectly aligned, I'm using these templates throughout the build. Now, using this frame as a jig, I assembled the back panel. Next, you'll need to prepare 16 slats for the floor, each cut with a 7-degree bevel. All that's left now is to build the egg collection tray. For this step, you'll need another 8 pieces with the same 7-degree bevels. All that's left is to install the tray runners. Next, it's time to install the wire mesh. To cut the wire mesh, I'll be using a drill-mounted metal shear attachment. I'm using welded wire mesh with 1/2 by 1/2 inch openings made from 0.063 inch wire. The edge on the egg collection side needs to be bent first. I'll straighten it out later. When installing the mesh, make sure the wires run in the same direction the eggs will roll. This allows the eggs to roll more smoothly into the collection tray. The recommended floor slope for a quail cage is between 7 and 9 degrees. Now let's check to make sure it's right where it should be. Now it's time to cover the cage with plywood. The front and side panels will be covered with 2 by 1 inch wire mesh, allowing the quails to reach through and access the feeder. Now it's time to assemble the nipple watering system. They're very easy to assemble. Now it is time to attach the mesh to the front. To prevent injuries from the sharp edges of the wire mesh, I don't cut the ends off completely. Instead, I bend them over. I'll be using trough-style feeders. The feeders are finished. Next, I'll build the droppings trays. Next, I'll prepare the water reservoir. As a cushion for the egg collection trays, I'm attaching strips of expanded PVC foam board. Now I'll put away my workbench. It's very convenient to be able to fold it up and tuck it away completely. I'm stapling the cushioning underlayment in place. Now it's time to test the cage. Go! Of course, this test is a bit exaggerated. It's highly unlikely that all the birds would ever line up at the very top and lay an egg at exactly the same time. Since the egg remained undamaged, we can consider the test a success. I'm mounting the feeders, drop-in trays, a water container. The cage is complete. Now let's take a look at the cage dimensions. The overall height is 59 inches. The overall width is 39 inches. The depth, not including the egg collection tray, is 18 inches. Including the egg collection tray, the total depth is 24 inches. Here are the templates I used. The dimensions at the top are in millimeters and the dimensions at the bottom are in inches. The eggs can be collected easily. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.